Do you want to see a $200 SuperPayMe payment proof? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and one of the platforms I've used is called SuperPayMe. I have different videos about it also, and many viewers have asked me for proof that it actually still pays, so therefore I decided to record a video where I'll show you exactly how to withdraw and will show you a $200 PayPal payment proof. And I will also talk a little bit about how much you can overall expect to earn so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So I have now logged into SuperPayMe, and it's a get paid to site you can join from more or less all countries. It has a lot of different ways to earn, but I'm not going to give you a full guided tour of how to earn because I have a full tutorial of that on my website. I'll leave a link to that below so you can check that out. There you can also see the joining link if you want to join. But this is a video where I will focus on the payment proof because that's what a lot of people have asked me about. So I just quickly want to mention, if you're new to this, you can earn by taking paid surveys. A lot of paid offers you can earn by inviting people. They have a great cash contest. We will also talk a little bit about that later. But overall, a lot of different ways to earn. Exactly how many options you will get, that will depend on the country you live in. But as mentioned, if you want to know more details about that, you can check out the full tutorial on my website. Because now I want to show you how to withdraw and also show you the payment proof so you can see that it does pay. Many people have asked me to show that. So I now jump to the withdrawal section. As you can see, I have a current balance of $233 in cash, and I will talk more about later how much in general can earn, because I know a lot of people will ask about that. But you can see the cash out options. There can be slight variations sometimes from country to country, but overall you can see you can get paid in PayPal and you can get paid in instant PayPal also. So that means that you will get paid instantly. It just has a maximum daily withdrawal limit of $50 if you use instant. So that's why I'll use this regular PayPal, because I wanted to show you that I can take out $200, that it also pays if you accumulate more, because a lot of people have asked me about that. You can also choose Skrill or Wise. So all of them great options to get paid if you want to get paid in cash. And sometimes it also does offer cryptocurrencies or Amazon gift cards, but all these options are definitely great. You can see the exact fees they have, and what they also like is they have this 8 hours payment promise, so you will get paid within 8 hours after you request a payment. Very fast. In my experience, very often you will get paid a lot faster, but this is just the maximum. Just be aware, the very first time you withdraw, it might take longer. They might ask for extra verification, because sites like this do experience a lot of fraud, so sometimes they do need to extra security. But after that, you can get paid very fast. There will be a fee, you see a 2% PayPal fee. I will now here write $200 that I will get paid there. That's what I will withdraw. But just be aware when you then see the payment proof that of course there will be a 2% with deducted from that, so it won't be the full $200 there. But just to make it as close as possible to it, I could also take out like $205. Then what I actually get out should be very close to $200 there. So that's all you need to do. I fill out my PayPal email address here. Of course I blurred that out, but that's all you need to do. Fill that out and then click to withdraw. And you can see now my balance has gone down because I've withdrawn it, and then it will be processed in under 8 hours. And I will leave a screenshot of the email I get from PayPal, so you can see those $200 did go into my account. I will also write exactly how long it took for me to get that money, and I've been paid by it many times, so I know that it does pay. And I just wanted to show that because many people have asked me, does it still pay? Can you actually get paid? Yes, you definitely can, as you can see. But let's then talk about how much can you overall earn. So let's talk about how much you can overall earn, because I know a lot of people will now ask me, how long did it take you to earn those $200? But the reality with get paid to sites is that you can't just compare you to all other people, because a lot of it comes down to the country you live in. In some countries there will be a lot of paid service, a lot of paid offers that pay well. In others there will not be that many. But the great thing about SuperPayMe is that you can get paid already when you earned $1, so no matter where you live you can get paid fast. And also I want to be completely transparent, and a lot of what I've earned is through referrals, because I have other content both here and on my website about SuperPayMe, and quite a few people have then joined through my invitation link, and I've earned extra from that also. So that means like if you invite others, then you can also earn more. But instead of just looking at how long it's taking me, because as mentioned, that kind of doesn't make sense because you live in a different country. So maybe you've invited more people, maybe you invited less. Like it's very difficult to compare. But what I can show you is that they have this great cash contest, and that shows what a lot of other people have earned also. And this is a 3-month cash contest, and they actually gave out $1,000, really great cash contest that a lot of people or a lot of sites don't really have great contests like that. I haven't seen many sites that have this great contest. And you can see right now, as of recording this video, we kind of halfway through this period of this contest, and the winner will get $350 as a prize. And so far that person has earned close to $600. So you can see, and that will probably end up being more than 1,000 for this whole period from what I've seen from previous winners or so. So these are some of the top earners. And this is not by referring people. The earnings from referrals is not counted here. But this does not mean that you can earn this much. These are from the top earners that need to put in a lot of effort. But this is just to show you what is possible, but not something you should necessarily expect. To earn this much, you need to live in countries where there are a lot of opportunities, and you need to put in a lot of effort. But no matter the country you live in, you can definitely earn very fast enough to get paid. And also in many countries, you can easily earn like $5 a day, sometimes maybe 10, sometimes it may be $2, sometimes maybe 15. That all depends on the effort you put in and the country you live in. So to sum it all up, as you can see, SuperPayMe definitely does pay. I've used it for years and always been paid by it without problem. They have very fast payout processing. They also have fast support. As long as you do things honestly, they are very helpful. Do not try to cheat to get access to more options than they are available in your country. They have very strict security, and they will ban you if you try to do that. But if you want to know even more about SuperPayMe, and if you want to join, I will leave a link to a full tutorial I have below on my website. You can check that out and also find the joining link there. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.